Now let's move on to sound effects. Colin is going to be performing an everyday activity, but Ryan will be providing some sound effects, in fact all the sound effects, using this microphone. So what everyday, can you suggest a nice everyday activity for him to... Changing a baby's diaper, at least an everyday activity. More like a 20 times a day activity in my experience, but then I never grew up. So let's... So away you go, Colin.
You awake? Sorry, who put the pet snail there? Oh, sorry. Oh, it's all right. It's all right. Squeaky. Hen's oil.
Thank you. Well done. 52 points, richly deserved.